There is a Trinamool worker in West Bengal who is now under the scanner for threatening the BLOs, the poll agents. This time it seems like Sandesh Khali is once again making headlines, where a BLO has been threatened in Bayarmari area over voter list corrections. Trinamool worker Jamil has been arrested. He is currently in police custody, and sensationally, sources link him to the leader Sheikh Shah Jahan. Remember, his name had also cropped up in the previous controversy that put Sandesh Khali on national map of controversies and news. Now, these threats allegedly came after 3 faulty SIR forms were rejected by the BLO. Hridita, what happened?
Well, yes, yesterday Deepak Mahato, the BLO of the Bainabari area in Sandesh Khali, was threatened by Jamirul Islam Mosla, who is also linked to the TMC party. He had threatened this very BLO because he had told them to correct the form, the enumeration form where they had entered the data incorrectly. Once the BLO told Jamirul Islam Molla and his 2 other friends the same thing, they had threatened him of his life, as they said that we cannot make any further correction. The BLO, on the other hand, had also stated that I am bringing out fresh form from the BDO office, giving it to you, and I shall collect it also if you fill it fresh. But they rejected that offer as well and threatened the BLO in spite. The BLO at the point feels very scared, where he has made this complaint to his supervisor, and the BDO was in safety precautions of that very region. Later yesterday, Jamirul Islam Molla was arrested and produced before the Bashirat Subdivisional Court, and then the police had sought for a police custody of Jamirul Islam Molla. But yet the scare that has been faced by BLO Deepak Mahato still sustains, because the other 2 allies of this very person who is linked to Sheikh Shah Jahan, who once made national headlines for threatening and scaring the people of Sandesh Khali, running a mafia circuit which also did not leave women of the area spared. Now this BLO has been left under by these 2 other allies of Jamirul Islam Molla, and therefore he says that he still does not feel safe, even though the main head is behind the bars in the police custody.
Stay on with me, Hridita, because we have a reaction from the man in concern who currently says that I am extremely scared. Deepak Mahato, here is his story.
স্যার, আমি ফর্ম জমা নিতে গিয়ে দেখি এক জায়গায় একটু ভুল আছে, সেই ভুলটা সংশোধন করে আনতে বলেছিলাম, কিন্তু সেইভাবেই উনি নিয়ে এসছেন। তাতে দেখে আমার মনে হলো এটা ঠিক হয়নি, তাই আমি ওনাদেরকে এইটা বললাম। বলার পরে ফর্মটা ফিল আপ ভুল হওয়াতে আমি আবার বিডিও অফিস থেকে ফর্ম নিয়ে এসে আমি তাদেরকে দিয়ে এসেছি বাড়িতে, তাদের বাড়িতে পৌঁছে দিয়ে এসেছি। তারা আবার বলেছি ফিল আপ করে রাখবেন, আমি এসে নিয়ে যাব। ফোনে পার্টির কোনো ইয়ে হবে, উনি আমাকে নামটা আমি ঠিক সঠিক জানি না, এই হিসাবে আমাকে খুব হুমকি দিয়েছে। হুমকি দেওয়ার পর আপনি কি করেছেন সেটা আমি আমার বিডিও সাহেবদের সঙ্গে আমি এটা জানিয়েছি। চাইছি বলতে উনি ওনার ভুলটা বুঝতে পারুক, যে এটা বলাটা ঠিক হয়নি, এটাই চাই। আমি অনেকটাই আতঙ্কিত।